This is an enabler technology. Look at all the innovation out of Elon.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
he's got so many sub things, but this is a major player in that, right? All this innovative stuff that you hear has cool stuff coming out of it sooner than later.
Absolutely. Well, we do have something cool. I mean, part of the reason why Jeffrey's here, we got some really exciting stuff for the, the UAV target.
Commercial UAV
commercial show coming up in Vegas.
Yep.
At the end of the month, right?
Yep. Bringing out what's called the Hummingbird drone. It's about an 8.5 foot diameter VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing drone that I designed. A number of the components on the drone were 3D printed.
Yeah.
So the UAV market specifically is highly customized. You have mission specific applications, and that is the perfect arena for additive manufacturing.
Exactly.
Because you can adopt the geometry to serve its purpose. Exactly.
We'll be there in October. The show's in Vegas, like you said, at the Expo Center, the 28th through the 30th, I believe, right?
I believe that's right, yeah.
Yeah, so you can come check out some really amazing stuff, and I think we're in booth 801, and we'll be showcasing some of those mad design skills.
Yeah, some of those components. And,
some things that you can't make other ways, traditionally.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
with 3D and additive, so it's a good way to check things out and
Yep.
see it up close and personal.